Hello again, dear grade 4 students, and welcome back to a new English lesson. By the end of this video lesson, you will be able to identify the main idea through reading, locate specific information through reading, use should, shouldn't to write advice for a healthy life. You will be able to find this lesson in your student's book, pages 122 and 123, and in your workbook, page 126. Are you ready to start the lesson? Let's go then. I'll show you two groups of pictures and let's see if you can tell the difference between them. Here are students in class 1 and students in class 2. Can you tell the difference? Students in class 1, they look very active and they're working hard. Students in class 2, they look very tired. Well done. Have you ever felt that tired just like students in class 2? Well, in today's lesson, we're learning how to gain our energy back. Please open your students' books on Module 10, page 122, and pay attention to the pictures in activity number 1. Look at those photos and guess, what could be the word suitable for those photos? Look at this photo where the family is around the table and they're actually eating probably breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We call this a meal. Meal. Let's put it in a sentence. My family never misses the breakfast meal. The word meal in this sentence is a noun. Look at the boy in this photo. He's training hard because he wants his muscles, his hands to be strong. We call this exercise. Exercise. Let's put this word in a sentence. I go to the gym to exercise and become strong. In this sentence, you can see the word is referring to an action that you do. This means the word is a verb. Look at the man here. Is he working? No, he is having a break. He is trying to relax. Relax. Let's put the word relax in a sentence. He likes to relax after working hard. And the word relax in this sentence is referring to an action. So it's a verb. It's time to practice now. Please go to your workbook, page 126, and pay attention to the question in activity number 1. Let's read the question together. Read the clues and complete the crossword. Number 1. To rest. This is actually a verb. Which word was it? Well done. Relax. R-E-L-A-X. Let's check the clue in number 2. Activities that you do to keep healthy. Did you remember the word? Great job. Exercise. Make sure you spell it correctly. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Now let's check the clues in number 3. The words breakfast, lunch, or dinner, they mean a meal. Well done. M-E-A-L. Great job. And now let's go to Students' Book, page 122, to start doing activity number 2. What can you see? Look at the title and the pictures. Different types of food and drink. A boy who looks tired. Children exercising. A boy sleeping. And a boy reading a book. Let's also look closely at the 3 subtitles in the text. What type of text is it? Factual or fictional? Maybe the subtitles will help us. Let's read them. You should eat healthy food. You should exercise. You should go to bed early. This means the text is factual. It's giving us information. After we check the title and the pictures of the text, can you predict what is the text mainly about? Is it about things to do to have more energy or things to do to have more friends? Put one answer in your head. Keep it, and when we listen and read, you can find out if your prediction was correct.
2. Look at the title and the pictures. Can you guess what the text is about? Then read and check.
Get your energy back. Are you tired? Is getting up in the morning hard for you? What should you do? Read on. You should eat healthy food. You can eat fish, fruit and vegetables. But you shouldn't eat fast food. You should eat a healthy snack every 3 or 4 hours between meals. Of course, you should drink lots of water too. You should exercise. Exercising for 60 minutes every day is very good for you. Walking to school, riding a bike, or playing a sport are some ways to exercise. You should go to bed early. Relaxing before you sleep is very important too. What should you do to relax? You shouldn't watch TV or play computer games late at night. You can read a book or drink a glass of warm milk.
Did you find out the main idea of the text? It's things to do to have more energy. Well done for those who have their prediction correct. And now let's read the text again to find some details. Let's start with this paragraph talking about healthy food. Read it silently and find the answer to the following question. How often should you eat healthy snacks? You have 4 choices, and you have the keywords, the numbers, and the word hours. You can find it in the text. You should eat healthy snack every 3 or 4 hours. So my answer is B. Great job. Let's move on to the paragraph talking about how you should exercise. And let's try to find the answer to the following question. What are some ways to exercise? List them. You can do that on your notebook or on the book. If you find the keywords walking to school, riding a bike, or playing a sport, these are all activities that they include exercise. The question is, can you add more ways to exercise? Let's move on to the last paragraph talking about how you should go to bed early and find out the answer to the following question. What should you do to relax before sleeping? Look at the 4 choices. I have to find the keywords in the text referring to those words. It is very important that you notice the word should or shouldn't. You shouldn't watch TV or play computer games. This means choice A and B, they are not possible. I still have to find the answer for C and D. Read a book or visit a friend. In the text, I have the sentence saying, you can read a book or drink a glass of warm milk. So my answer is, read a book. Great job. Now, can you add more ways to relax? Write it in your notebook then. Well done, everybody. Now, let's scan the text again for more details. Go to your student's book, page 123, and pay attention to the question in activity number 3. Let's read the question together. Read again and write T for true or F for false. Number 1. Healthy snacks between meals can give you energy. The keywords are healthy snacks, meals, energy. If you check the paragraph about healthy food, you'll find out that this sentence is true. Now, pause the video and complete the rest on your own. Welcome back. Let's check our answers together. Number 2. You should exercise for 60 minutes every day. Check the paragraph that talks about exercise. You will find out that this sentence is true. Number 3. Riding a bike isn't good for you. The paragraph about exercise mentions that riding a bike or playing sport are some ways to exercise. And of course, exercise is good for you. So the sentence is false. Number 4. Watching TV late at night helps you relax. The keywords are watching TV late and relax. Let's check the paragraph talking about going to bed early. It mentions you shouldn't watch TV or play computer games late at night, because this will not help you to relax. So the answer is false. Number 5, drinking some warm milk can help you relax. My keywords are warm milk and relax. Also, the paragraph about going to bed early says you can read a book or drink a glass of warm milk, and this helps you to go to bed early. So, the sentence is true. Great job, everybody. Let's practice giving advice now. Go to your workbook, page 126, and pay attention to the question in activity number 2. The question says, here are 3 ways to feel healthier. Look at the tips and write the advice. Use should or shouldn't. You can see in the blue box they have suggestions for actions. Let's take the first 2 actions as an example. And let's talk about eat healthy food. Eat chips every day, eat fruit and vegetables. Let's think before we answer. Which one is correct? Which one is wrong? To have a healthy lifestyle, you shouldn't eat chips and you should eat fruits and vegetables. So I make my sentence with the words should and shouldn't plus the base form of the verb eat. Great job, everybody. Now, pause the video and complete the rest on your own. Welcome back. Let's write some tips and give advice about exercise. The activity play sports with friends is the right thing to do, and we use the word should with this activity. The activity watch TV all day is actually not helpful for exercise, so we use the word shouldn't. My sentences would be, you should play sports with friends, and you shouldn't watch TV all day. Great job. Now let's see what piece of advice can we give about relaxing before bedtime. The activity read a book is a very good thing that you do to give you some relaxing time. And the activity play computer games until late night, that will not help you to relax. My sentences would be, you should read a book. You shouldn't play computer games before bedtime. Great job. Now, it's writing time. Go to your workbook, page 126, and pay attention to the question in activity number 3. The question says, what else can people do to have more energy? Use the prompts and write sentences use should or shouldn't. There are actions that they refer to the right thing to do and actions that they refer to the wrong thing to do. Ahmed will choose one action from the right things to do and he will use the word should with the verb. His sentence is, you should sleep 8 hours every night. Now, it's your turn to write sentences giving advice using should or shouldn't. Pause the video and write your sentences. Welcome back. Let's have more examples on using should or shouldn't. You shouldn't play computer games for many hours. You should drink 7 glasses of water a day. You shouldn't eat ice cream every day. Great job, everybody. Share your writing with your classmates and your teacher. Well done. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day. Goodbye.